Hello, welcome to today's video for identifying proportional relationships where we will have whole number answers. So what we're going to do is look at how to find a proportional relationship and how to create proportional relationships. In the first example, it says for each table, determine whether it shows that x and y are proportional. If x or y are proportional, fill in the blank with a number in simplest form. So proportional means that all my ratios are equal. All ratios are equal. So in order to figure out if all the ratios are equal, we first need to write the ratios in y to x form. And then we must reduce the ratios. And that'll tell us if they're all the same or not. So let's start by writing our ratios in y to x form. And we'll make this number 1 and number 2. So for number 1, I'll write out all my ratios in y to x form. My y is 10 and my x is 5. So 10 over 5 equals 2. My next one is 32 over 8. 32 over 8 equals 4. And my next one is 66 over 11. And 66 over 11 reduces to 6. So since these are not all equal, 2 does not equal 4, does not equal 6, it is not proportional. Let's go look at number 2. We're going to write our ratios in y to x form. So we're going to start as y over x. So y is 16, x is 4. So I'm going to write 16 over 4. 16 over 4 reduces to 4. So I'm going to go to my next number. 24 over 6. That reduces to 4. And 32 over 8. That also reduces to 4. So they are proportional, and y is 4 times x. So we take our rate and we plug it in here. So whatever x is, multiply it by 4, and that's how you get y. All right, let's go look at the next example. Gives the same directions for each table. Determine whether it shows that x and y are proportional. If they are proportional, fill in the blank with a number in simplest form. So let's label these 3 and 4. For 3, I'm going to write my ratios as x to y. So I'm going to write 8 over 1. That reduces to 8. 18 over 2 is my next one, which reduces to 9. 30 over 3 reduces to 10. And 44 over 4 reduces to 11. These are not equal, so they're not proportional. Number 4, my ratio is 27 for x to y. I start with 27 over 3, which reduces to 9. My next one is 45 over 5, which also reduces to 9. Now it's important that we go all the way through these in case we get one that's not proportional, or that's not equal, so that we know if they're proportional or not. The next one is 63 over 7, also 9. And then the last one is 90 over 9, which equals 10. Equal, 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 not equal. So they're not all equal, so they're not proportional. So remember, write your ratios as y to x, reduce them. If they are proportional, put your ratio into the blank.